Look at him.
I know. There's like nobody here. I gotta get a shot here.
Do yours or?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Have a great afternoon.
I don't know what to say. We're at Disneyland again. That was fun. I definitely want to do Storybook Canal once it gets darker,
Yeah.
and Casey Jr.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I always like this one. Service doggo.
Maybe outside our you know? It's big.
Bienvenido a Fruta del Paseo. Y por favor, cuídense. Chao.
So one of my favorite rides, not running today.
Thank you.
was just thinking about the ride if it stays underground the whole time or if it goes
Are you ready to resume your visits? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
Is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a
I have a special present just for you. Happy holidays, everyone!
Well, welcome aboard the world-famous Jumble Cruise. Now, my name is Skipper Lisa. I'll be your skipper for however far we can get. But of course, please remain seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, look after your children. Now, we do begin our journey by going through the rainforest, where it rains some on 364 days a year. That's almost every day. Those of you in the center, though, well, you may have just missed it. Now, as we make our way down this Lost River, coming up on our left, you'll see this lovely snake statue. Now, experts still haven't figured out what it's made of, but if I were to guess, I would say brass. That's my guess. We're now about to enter into an ancient Cambodian shrine, and oh boy, look out for that tiger on the left. Hey, did you know he can jump up to 30 feet? Oh, but we were only 15 feet away. If he left, he would have sailed right over our heads like many of my jokes today. Well, we're now escaping from him to the safety of the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. And it looks like this is our lucky day, because, well, the entire herd of elephants passed them out. You know, at this hour, well, that's unheard of. Oh, that right there is Bertha. Now, Bertha's been in the shower for so long. Jungle PSA, do not take too long in the shower. You will turn into an elephant. I should know. I'm just getting out of the shower. Well, speaking of, I think he's reloading. Quick, everyone get down. Duck, goose. Just kidding. That's dry humor. We're not going to go towards any actual danger. Well, that thing's dangerous. Let's get closer. Do not make any banana noises now, because they find that appealing. It looks like a family of wild gorillas have taken over the Disneyland camp, and oh wow, this is bad. They left the lights on that Jeep. They were never going to get it to turn over. Oh well, the monkeys were calling the shots, and they were a little banana. That's funny. Wait. Well, that went well. I hope you like banana puns. There's a bunch. Now this up here is the lovely and majestic Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of our Jumble Cruise. That is Dr. Albert Falls. We'll go over that later. For now, we start down the Nile River. Now the Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world, and well, I know a shortcut. If you don't believe me, you're in denial. Over there to the left is the African bull elephant, the second most feared animal of the jungle. Oh, and this guy on the right, he can do tricks. Watch this. Speak, Bubble. Louder. Now stay. Good boy. We're now crossing into the African belt, where the hand of man has never set foot. It is also home to some giraffes, canoes, zebras, and oh, would you look at that? That pride of the lions is protecting the sleeping zebra. Oh, let it rest in peace. Says, oh, okay, well that's a little awkward. Do you guys remember the VIP camp? Well, we found a lost VIP tour, as well as our skipper, Felix. Oh dear. Oh dear. Literally. Alright, well, this is a little embarrassing, just so we're all in agreement. We did not just find a lost skipper and his tour VIP is being chased up a pole by a rhinoceros surrounded by laughing hyenas, right, guys? Great. That's a lot less paperwork. Okay, everybody stay calm. We are entering a pool of hippos, but don't worry. It could be a lot. It's a lot worse. This is actually half of our problems right now. Okay, I'm not to scare away the hippos. Give me a big favor. Cover your ears, okay? Whew, I am so sorry I had to do that. Don't worry though, those shots were like my mind. Completely blank. Well, at least this family of chimpanzees found a place to crash. On Felix's boat. Oh, hey, they got a microphone too. Oh, I wonder if I can translate. Let's see. You know that's bananas. They should take a bow. And they already did. And it looks like Dr. Khan Chinosuke's etymology crates got misplaced. And at least nothing seems to bug those two chimpanzees. We'll call that one a net. Now, I know something about butterflies. Butterflies are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the amazing eighth wonder of the world is the sign of water! Isn't it beautiful? We like to call that O2H. Looks like O2H! 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 And if that did not impress you, what about the French side of rock? That's marvelous. My sentiments exactly. Oh, now those cute little fish drawings reminded me. My boss, Alberta, mentioned something about the fish on this stretch. Something about the fish out here. Wow, piranhas, okay, never mind. We're not stopping about that. Yikes. Yeah, when Alberta said the fish here were biting, she was not kidding. That's okay. I know a trick. Piranhas don't know how to turn right. Right. Oh, and would you look at that python clinging to the tree? Hissing. And lastly, no trip around the jungles of the world would be complete without a stop by Trader Sam's gift shop, where the deals are bananas, let me tell you. Actually, looks like Sam stepped out to pick up some more stuff. Would you believe people just leave strollers full of stuff all through the walkways out there? Talk about bananas. Oh. Stay tuned. Well, congratulations! You survived the world famous Jumbo Cruise!
Now, let's get this show on the road. All aboard! All aboard! All aboard!
What made you make the Disney?
I started at AMC when I was 17, and then I was like, once I turn 18, I'm gonna work at some point. But now I'm like,
You have plenty of time.
alrighty, friends, and away we go. Hello, everyone. My name is Chris, and I'll be your captain and storybook teller this evening aboard the SS Bonnet. For your safety, I ask that you please remain seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Alrighty, friends, and it looks like we do have a well-balanced boat, which is perfect because we can give Moncho a well-balanced meal. And this is the same whale that swallowed Pinocchio and Geppetto, and lucky for them to live on the other side of the canal. On your right-hand side there, you'll see a house made of straw, a house made of sticks, and a house made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. And on the right-hand side here, in the middle of the canal, is London Park. This is where Peter Pan and the Darling Children took their first flight to Neverland. With the help of Tinkerbell and her pixie dust, of course. And to this day, within the trees there, you can see Tinkerbell's pixie dust twinkling every single night. And straight ahead here is the enchanted and mysterious city of Agrabah, home to Princess Jasmine and Aladdin. Well, luckily for the two of them, their friends, a magical carpet, a magic genie, and a mischievous little monkey by the name of Abu, helped them fall in love. And they're now married and live in the Sultan's palace. And straight ahead here, not only will you see Casey Jr. Circus Train, but also our starlit archways. Now these are the same archways that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin soared over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride to a whole new world. Fast passes as the genie is not allowed to bring things back from the dead. And on your right hand side here, outside of the cave, is a small cottage home to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. If you listen real closely up there in the mine, you'll hear the Seven Dwarfs hi-ho as they work. And just beyond that, into the unknown, is the Kingdom of Arendelle, home to Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. On the left-hand side there, up on the North Mountain, is Queen Elsa's Ice Palace. If you listen real closely, you'll hear Elsa under the sea to join them on land to become a part of our world. Is Ariel's previous home, the underwater city of Atlantica. Alrighty, folks, and as we approach the dock and our story comes to a close, I ask that you please remain seated at all times, with your hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat, even when our boat comes to a full.
Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you.
The princess was silent.